Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to the another episode of Creating Arts to Decorate Your Home. I hope you have watched our previous episode of Creating Arts to Decorate Your Home, and if not, please go and watch it. So today in this episode I'm going to make an origami art. It's basically a wall hanging of origami, which is perfect for your balcony decor. So stay with me till the end and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's quickly jump into the video.
So I'm taking these colorful sheets. So here I'm taking this blue color sheet. It's an A4 size sheet. So I'm going to show you how to make a bird out of an A4 size sheet. It is a very simple method. So you can just have a look at it, how to make it. So by cutting this, I have made it was a rectangle shape, so we have made it in a square shape. So only one thing you have to remember by making origami art is that whatever lines or whatever folds you make, you just have to be very precise that the two ends are equal with each other. Okay, now the bird is completed. I'm going to make different sizes of birds. So I'm taking these colorful papers and I'm going to start making different sizes of many birds. So you can see I have taken black, blue, yellow, orange. If you want, you can take any color of your choice. So I have taken this log that I found from the roadside. Also, you need a thread and a needle. So we are going to, because we need to make a wall hanging of it. So I'm going to put these birds inside this thread like this. And now I'm going to tie the knots. Firstly, I will see that how much long thread I needed. And now I'm going to tie a knot over here. And now I'm going to tie this thread over the log. This is how differently I have tied them. And look at this, how beautiful this is looking. So comment down below how you find this artwork, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.